As part of Parks and Recreation Month, our City of Margate has chosen to showcase 3 of our 19 amazing parks. Park number 1 is David Park. David Park, located at 6199 Northwest 10th Street, was one of the original parks in the City of Margate, and it served as a recreational hub as the city was being developed. It was the site for many city special and athletic events, and was home to many civic organizations. Today, David Park includes the following public facilities: the Catherine Young Library, the Northwest Focal Point Senior Center, the Charles and Carol Catt Community Center, the Leonard Weisinger Community Center, the Parks and Recreation Administrative Offices, and the George Mudd Playground. Now, the recent improvements to David Park were made possible thanks to the financial assistance of the Margate Community Redevelopment Agency. These upgrades include a renovated playground, new picnic shelter, an expanded parking lot, new wayfinding park signage, security lighting, sidewalks, new landscaping, and 2 new ADA accessible bocce courts with lights. We are happy to say that our residents continue to utilize David Park for many of their recreational needs. From youth programming to senior programming, David Park has something for all ages. Here is a fun fact. David Park is where the City of Margate hosted most of its special events, including the 4th of July celebration for 30 years. While in Margate, remember to visit and enjoy David Park. This Park and Recreation Month, we encourage you to share your parks memories and experiences on social media using the hashtag #OurMargateParks and tagging us using the handle City of Margate FL.